Hello there, welcome to our channel tutorial guru again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to add a frame to your photo on Facebook. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Okay, let's open up our Facebook app first. And now to add a frame on your profile picture, just tap on your profile, which is on the top left corner of your screen just below the home icon. Tap there, and now tap on your profile picture like this, and you will see all these options appear, and on the top there is that frame. Tap over there and you can see all these popular frames by Facebook, and you can see all these other frames. Now if you want to choose one, choose it over here and apply the frame to your photo. Tap on the frame you like most. For me it will be this one, and you can see either you can edit the frame or from over here like this, from over here also. And now if you want to make a temporary one, just tap make temporary like this, and you can see the time over here. If you want to put the frame on your profile picture and you want it, and if you want to put the frame on your profile picture until you change it, just tap on save, and you can see the frame has been applied to our profile picture. And there guys, this is how you add a frame to your photo on Facebook. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.